Ever looked at your bank account after a shopping spree and thought, where did all my money go? Yeah, us too. But what if we told you there's a secret weapon to stretch your naira? Introducing FavePay Cashback, your ticket to more moolah. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. It's like finding money under your couch cushions, but way more consistent. Think free shopping, extra spending power, and a whole lot of satisfaction. So, how does this magical thing work? Let's break it down. First off, you need to be a FavePay user. If you're not, it's time to join the club. Download the app, sign up, and get ready to reap the rewards. It's like unlocking a treasure chest. Once you're in, explore the world of FavePay. You'll find a bunch of merchants offering cashback on everything from groceries to gadgets. It's like having a personal shopper who gives you money back. Now, here's the fun part, shopping. Choose a merchant offering cashback, make a purchase, and watch the magic happen. The cashback amount will usually be a percentage of your total spend. It's like getting a discount without even asking. But wait, there's more. FavePay often has special promotions and offers. It's like finding extra gold nuggets in your treasure chest. Keep an eye out for these, because they can boost your cashback earnings. So, where does this extra cash end up? It's stored in your FavePay wallet. You can use it for future purchases, transfer it to your bank account, or even withdraw it as cash. It's your money, your rules. But let's talk about the real question. How can you maximize your cashback? It's like leveling up in a video game. The more you use FavePay, the more rewards you'll earn. Plus, referring friends can often score you bonus cashback. Sharing is caring, right? Now, we know what you're thinking. Is it really worth it? Trust us, the math checks out. Over time, those little cashback amounts add up to big savings. It's like having a secret money-making machine. So, are you ready to join the FavePay Cashback crew? It's time to say goodbye to impulse purchases and hello to smart spending. Remember, every naira counts. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.